Hello, what's going on? Ruxandra here, and welcome to my new video on how to identify fake accounts on Facebook. Super easy and with no software required. So if you're tired of getting friend requests from fake accounts on Facebook, yes, this is a method that works 90% of the cases. So here's how to spot and identify fake profiles very quickly, 100% free and with no software. You can use this technique to identify and get information on any name that is used for creating a fake account. So I'll be sharing my screen with you right now just to show you how to do everything on. I'll show you my profile as an example, and you will take that as being the account that you want to find information of. Okay, so here we go. Let's say this is the profile that you want to find information of. Okay, so right now you right click just here in this space, view page source, another tab would open. Here you click Ctrl F. Okay, you type in username and you hit enter 3 times, so it will take you to the username. You can even click enter separately, but I'll do it from the beginning, yeah, because it may take some time, to find the name. Okay, so here we go. What name we have here? Yeah, so here is my name, and it really it's very interesting that we don't pay attention at the name that appear here, only at the names that appear here. So if this name here, the username that the Facebook account was created from, it's not the same with the name of the profile, then the account has 90% chances to be a fake one. Okay, so yeah, probably they have different name here. And you will notice that I didn't notice until I found this method to just select my friend request, because I had so many. There are some days when I have 200 or something, and I have to select which are the right people from there, and it was very time consuming, and it didn't work properly, like doing the research on all profile and so on. So this is a very quick method to use, and it works 90% of the time, because there is no any other reason to have a different name from your username, because you're not hiding nothing in here. Yeah, okay, so this name here has to match this name here. Okay, and this name here has to also match this name here. Okay, yeah, I can show you even another tip here. If you go on the other page, JPG, you type the extension, you can find which photos were used for the profile. Okay, so go to the beginning of the page. Okay, yeah, let's see. Yeah, so look, here you have my picture as an example. Okay, so this was the way I'm doing it, and I find fake accounts very quickly. There is another method, but I don't recommend it. It's a little bit more complicated, and it's by clicking F12. Okay, so here you go. Yeah, this name here has also to be a match with this one on top. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this was a very quick video, and I wanted to show you, just to protect your family, your kids. You can show that to your kids. It's very important, just for them to make difference between the wrong and right people. And if it's even very important for us affiliate marketers, or even for normal people, to make a good selection of the friend requests and the people we are letting in our life. Okay, so this was a short video, and I hope this will help you make difference and choose the right friends in your list. And if you like it, subscribe, like, and share so the information will reach more people and to grow the channel so I can make better videos for you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.